Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. In this video guys, we are going to talk about how to check hotspot password in our Samsung phone device. Guys, you want to check your hotspot password in your Samsung phone, so as you can check. And guys, now let's see how to check hotspot password in our Samsung phone. In this video guys, we are going to talk about. So friend, first of all, open your phone setting to check your hotspot password friends. So let's click on your first one, connection setting, mobile hotspot, mobile hotspot. And guys, you can check your hotspot password from here guys. 1234 TTE32 my hotspot password. So guys, you can check your hotspot password in your Samsung phone. So I hope friends you have understood how to check hotspot password in Samsung phone. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching my video guys. Now we will meet on next video with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.